All right, let's take a look at all the market action this past week. The US stock markets experienced a mixed performance this week. The S&P 500 closed slightly lower on Friday, despite setting an intraday record earlier in the week. The Nasdaq composite also fell, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose marginally. Notably, Nvidia shares dropped 3.2% after hitting an all-time high on Thursday. Yet the stocks remain up 155% year-to-date. The Dow posted its best week since May, advancing 1.45%, while the S&P 500 recorded a 0.6% weekly gain. In Europe, stocks closed lower on Friday amid central bank decisions and data release. The Pan-European Stock 600 index, with banks tumbling 1.5%, fell, while utilities edged up. France's CAC 40 index gained slightly after last week's political turmoil, but the euro remained weak. The Bank of England kept interest rates steady at a 16-year high of 5.25, and the Swiss National Bank cut rates by 0.25 percentage points to 1.25%. Norway's central bank also maintained its rates. Asian markets mostly declined, impacted by Japan's slightly cooler than expected core inflation data for May. South Korea's Kospi fell 0.83%, while the Kosdaq dropped 0.56%. China's CSI 300 dipped 0.22%, continuing its losing streak, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index declined 1.52%. But crude oil prices showed resilience, posting a second consecutive weekly gain, with US crude oil rising 2.9% for the week. Gasoline demand surged in the United States, reaching post-pandemic highs, which supported oil prices. And in the metals market, platinum increased by 1.8%, whereas gold and silver fell as the US dollar gained. Looking ahead, investors will monitor the continued volatility in the oil market, driven by global demand dynamics and potential supply constraints. Additionally, central bank policies, particularly in Europe and Asia, will be crucial in shaping market movements. Key economic data release includes inflation and employment figures. Those will also be pivotal in the upcoming weeks. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.